Yeah, so I was looking for a data science class because I lead data scientists. I didn't really know what I should expect from them reasonably. I didn't really know how to help coach them in their own careers and help them become better data scientists. That's the primary reason I was looking for a data science class. It's completely worth it. I've gone through 3 or 4 different iterations of what I want to be when I grow up, and I've gone through different trainings across that journey outside of college, and this is probably the most helpful course that I've gone through. I have taken or started many online courses. My biggest problem with online courses is my ability to follow through. So really having an in-person class allowed me to focus. Raja and the other instructors did a really great job of making sure that people were actually engaged, and so we didn't move on before people understood key concepts. I think that's another thing that you miss when you're trying to learn something online. I think this bootcamp is best suited for anyone who's interested in data science either as a career or anyone who either leads a team or manages people who are data scientists. I feel like I'm walking away with a lot of really usable information and a base level of information to build on if I decide that I want to go further in the data science field.